Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. One of our subscriber has asked about Pega career and opportunities and different certifications that are available. When you want to reach more heights as a Pega developer, first you have to do PCSA, which is Pega Certified System Architect. Next, Certified Senior System Architect. And then once you are good as a senior developer, then you can think on making good applications with good designing. So then you have to go for CLSA exam. CLSA consists of three things like readiness, architecture, design and build. So architecture is like a online exam that we take in PS and VUV center, and CLSA design and build are like two separate parts. First, they will be giving an application. Then you have to think over the design and what are the pros and cons of the design that you are taking and what are the approaches that you are going to take for building an application. So it would be given like 7 days of time. Once you read the design and you have submitted it, like Pega CLSA team will be there. They would be reviewing that. Once they are satisfied with the design, they would be giving us 1 more week time for doing the build. Like you can take a gap of 1 month between design and build. Suppose you have completed your design on 20th May and it was approved on that day, so you can start your build by 19th June. From there 1 week would be counted. So again build, they will give 1 week. So you have to do the build and you have to provide jar and necessary documents. Then you will be labeled as CLSA if you get some 70% pass mark. Suppose there are like minute errors which can be fixed, so then Pega will give you again 1 more week of time and tells us like what is the issue, what is the wrong and all. That is called as app fix. So once you did app fix, then also if they approve, then you are like certified lead system architect in Pega. And there are some other certifications in Pega like CRSA, robotic system architect, data scientist, and this is decisioning consultant. People who are more interested in working in CPM and CPDC, like decisioning projects, they can go for this. And people who are so interested to start their career as a business architect, like be a role in a respective project, they have to do this certified business architect examination. So this is the link where you can find in our Pega PDN. Suppose see, this is the certifications. As I have said, this is PCSA. For this PCSA, there are like some courses that you have to write. So this is the courses you have to finish, then only you are eligible to take this particular certification. This is a certified senior system architect. For this also you have to complete this course mission, and then only you will be getting this. So we won't be writing this exam wherever you want. I would be guiding you through that process as well. And this is CLSA that I have said. So here you have to complete this, then architecture exam, then only you will go for design and app build. This is robotics. If you want to enhance your particular skills in robotic automation and workforce intelligence, then you can go here for CRSA. This is a data scientist. Like there is something called as predictive analysis and adaptive analysis. And if you want to build some decision strategies project, you can go with data scientist. And this decisioning consultant, this is different from this. Here in decisioning consultant, you would be designing next best actions, and you would be trained on the data. There is something called as interaction history. So based on that, you would be guiding the customer like which respective offer is good for the respective customer and all. This is a CPDC. These are like overview about the certifications. And apart from it, and there are some other courses also if you go to training and go to missions. So if you see here, you can choose by the concept, and you can choose based on your level. Suppose if it's intermediate, you can have some missions. Suppose you have some query on some decision hub, or you have some query on some skimming of a rule set and all. you can go here and you can just complete this mission. And you have some capabilities over here, like if you want to learn about case management, or if you want to study about robotic process automation, you can go here and have a look. And there are some applications like framework based applications, like government framework or financial framework and all. So you can see on which industry that particular project belongs to. See here, this healthcare, government, financial services. Now if I click on government, so there is PGP codes that are available. So when you guys have this particular framework, it is better to just have a view on this particular mission, so that while you are delivering user stories in your project, this would be more helpful in completing the work. Likewise, you have to filter this and you have to go through it. So if you want to see like how many courses you have completed and what are the certifications that you are there, so you can go here and click on my profile. There will be a window opening over here and you can see your achievements and contributions over here. So these are all the certifications I have completed in Pega, and these are all the badges that I have earned once I have completed few courses. And these are the events that I have attended. This is a rough overview like how your Pega profile would look like. And another thing, like for once you have completed, for example, CSA course, then you have to go to this PSNVU center and you have to take a test by registering with the company ID. So the email ID that you use here can be different, like PSNVUE and Pegapedian would be different, but you have to make sure that your Pegapedian ID should be updated in your PSN VUE. Then only you are able to take the test. And once you done the certifications in Pegapedian, the particular certification will be available. Hope I have clarified queries of many. For many people who want to start their career in Pega and who are in the initial stages of learning Pega, this would be useful. Thank you guys. Happy learning. Please watch, subscribe, and share to your colleagues.